Cam here from Little Diggers. We're just going to run over how to operate this mini Bobcat skid steer. Now, first things first, the little red button right at the top is your park brake. Just flick that to off and then start the machine with the key up here. Now, this seat belt, slam that down. Sometimes it will sit there and the machine won't work. So just make sure it's right down. Over on your left up here, you have another green button. When you press that, you'll hear a click, click, and that tells you your hydraulics are engaged. These two levers here will push you forward and back, forwards, backwards, and if you pull them around like that, it will turn you to the left and likewise to the right. So the boom and the bucket on this machine are operated with your feet. There's pedals down here. Now, if I push my left toe down, I will drop the boom, and if I press my left heel down, I will lift it up. Likewise on your right hand side if you want to tilt the bucket. So if I want to tilt it forward, I'll push my right toe. If I want to pull it back, my right heel. And that's pretty much it for the boom. So to open up your 4-in-1 bucket, push this lever here over to your right. To close it up, back to the left. You have an accelerator down here on your left, and that will make you go faster.